Hi everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
And we are back again at our bookshelf. We realized that we have so many amazing and beautiful books and magazines and things here that we really want to share with you to show you where a lot of our inspiration comes from. So yeah, today, without further ado, Arne, let's start by showing them some of our favorite books.
Yeah. Should I start?
You start.
I just saw something I forgot about. It's down here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
This one we found on the trip. We were in Boston and we found this old book with album with what's spielder in English?
Yeah, just be very gentle.
Look, it's belonged to Georgie in 1876. The pages are paper and it is, you see, it's stitched around the pages.
And Georgie collected a lot of beautiful things in this album.
This is called glansbilder in Norwegian. I don't know the English name. I think some of these pages are actually fabric. But look at all these beautiful old pictures. So this has a lot of inspiration. You can find elements here and you can work on that and use it in other designs. But this book was so beautiful, so I couldn't leave it. So this is things we like to collect, things like this.
Very beautiful.
It's a beautiful book.
Yeah.
So this is hard to find.
While I was going through this bookshelf, I found a little bit of a curiosity, so I want to show you that. It's not necessarily a book that inspires us, but this particular book here, this is an icon book from Taschen. Taschen is the German publisher that specializes on books on art and design. And this book is called Web Design Portfolios. And it was published in, let's see, it was published in 2004. It looks like it, yeah. And the cool thing about this book is that it brought a lot of memories back because on page 29 of the best web portfolios in the world is our own website, ARNE CARLOS. And yeah, we talk a lot about our past in the fashion industry, and here you can actually see that we actually did a lot of sexy stuff back then. So there you have it.
Well, we're still trying.
Yeah.
Imagine where that one is going.
No.
No.
Anyway, this is Arne Carlos Does Sexy. From our website in 2004, it looked like that. So it's very cool, and it's a nice thing. I mean, I haven't thought about this book in 15 years, and suddenly we go through the books in there, and I found it. So that was nice.
And that's another nice thing, Carl. This one.
Yeah.
The RuPaul's Drag Race paper doll book.
With all your favorite drag queens.
This is so beautiful. This is so, and you can't cut it.
No, of course not.
You can't cut in this book. These are from, I don't know which year it is from.
Well, from all the different seasons that they've had.
But not the newest seasons.
No, this is from 2017.
2017.
Bibi Sahara Benet.
So here you have, oh, I think you can, no, you have to cut them. But you won't cut this out. But look at the drawings. It's so beautiful.
Drawings are great.
And where's, oh, yeah, you can just press it out.
Yeah, you press them out.
Oh, maybe you should try one day.
Yeah.
And where is Bibi? There she is.
There's Bibi. And there's other queens here. Probably some of our... Oh, here, look, Alaska. She's a favorite drag queen. So this is Alaska. Oh, Bibi Sahara Benet again.
No, this is...
It says Bibi Sahara
Benet.
Benet.
Oh, it's Bibi. Oh, yeah, you have like a version in cartoon.
Raja is there.
Raja is beautiful.
Sharon Needles is there.
She's cool.
Jinx Monsoon is there. Bianca Del Rio. Violet Chachki. Yeah. Bob the drag queen. Tons of really fabulous drag queens. Chad Michaels and Alaska.
So this is a cool book.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at it. And you can use, I think you can use the clothes on different queens. This must be Jinx.
Yeah.
Jinx Monsoon from Seattle. Nice book.
So we have a brick of a book here, down here, which I'm going to bring out the whole thing. Yeah, this is heavy. This is the Norwegian folk costume encyclopedia. So it's heavy, so I'm going to let it go. And I'll just take out volume 1.
So if you wonder about something on a folk costume, this is a good thing.
If you want to know anything about a folk costume, all you need to do is go here. And this was actually a gift from PJ here, who works with us in our YouTube channel, and he gave us these books.
So in this book you have every single folk costume and
all
also
the details.
What you call folkedrakter. So it's not,
yeah, folk costumes.
Some are bunads and some are folkedrakter, but it's like from all over Norway, and you have all the history behind the clothes.
And all the details.
And all the detail.
So yeah, it's
so this is a really nice thing to have.
Pretty nice.
So thank you, PJ.
Thank you, PJ. Okay, let's put that back in.
Put that back. And we have to show this one. This is not a book. Actually, it's a booklet inside. It's very important. ABBA, thank you for the music. It's a book with 4 CDs.
Because Arne loves ABBA so much.
And I even put out the Boom Boom box again. I started to play CDs, but some of the CDs, they just jump over songs. So I have to, I clean them and try to make them work again. Some doesn't work, but then I find the vinyl. But here you have pictures and the history. So this is a must-have. If you're an ABBA fan, I think this is a very nice thing to have. This is from 1994.
Yeah, very nice. Got a nice book here. Love this book a lot as well. It's L'âge d'or de la pin-up américaine, so the golden age of the American pin-up.
This is a coffee table book.
This is a coffee table book, and the photographs are really nice. Or sorry, the drawings are really nice. So.
You know why we bought this book?
Why?
Or maybe it was before we started, because in our past life, remember we had a blog?
Yeah.
When blogging came, that was like, blogging was a big thing, and we had a blog where we posted the drawing of a fashion figurine dressed up in the 50s clothes. It was a 50s blog. It didn't live for a long time because we hadn't had time to make a drawing every day, but we started out we were very optimistic when we started. But this book is really nice, and it's also nice to look at when you do drawing, because you see the body. And
it's a good book for
drawing. And then we have, I'll show this one. This is one of our photo books again, the photo books. This is all the trips we have done on the Hurtigruten, the coastal boat,
the Norwegian Coastal Express,
from 2007 to 2020. So this is, I collected all the trips before the COVID. So this is like the certificate from when we passed the Polar Circle, and trips, pictures from the boat and the people who were on the cruise.
Oh, that's a nice picture. That's a very nice picture.
This is nice. This is from Bergen.
And then you've got
street art in Bergen. I find street art so inspiring.
And here's some nice.
These are from of the knitters on the cruise.
Yeah. Very nice.
So these are many different cruises we've been on. The project we were knitting on. The Northern Light.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Dog sledge thing. So it's always nice to collect these things, and I feel that we have, like, now is a new beginning for the knitting cruises. So this is like the final of the old times. So now we do new things.
Do we have time for just a few more?
Yeah,
I mean, there's so many. Yeah, this is a really nice one.
Show that one.
Yeah, we'll do that. This was a gift from Kristel Seifert. You may know her. She is a knitting designer from Denmark. She lives in Færøerne, and she does the Færøerne Strikkefestival, the knitting festival in Færøerne, every year. And she had this beautiful book that she gave to us.
This one is
gorgeous.
A must-have. This one, if you can get this book, you need it.
So if you're ever in Færøerne, you need to get this book. It's about the island.
And the folk costumes.
It's got beautiful imagery of the Færøerne folk costumes. It's one of the few places in Denmark where they regularly wear their folk costumes, kind of like here in Norway. Similar culture of folk costuming. And it's very nice. It's a beautiful book. photographs are really nice. So thank you, Christel, for this lovely gift. We really love this book.
We had a book about Danish folk costumes. Maybe not in this bookshelf. We have to find that for another time. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is... Have you shown this one?
Yeah, that one we've shown before.
Okay.
How about this one?
Now this is nice. This is something...
It will be the last book today.
This is kind of... I don't know if there's a battery in there. It is. So when we do our bird watching, you see you can... You have all the pictures of the different birds. So if you find the number, this like...
So this is number...
043.
Let's see.
This is fun. Oh, there you go. That's this one.
Okay, give me another one.
Give you... Oh, you
the
would do.
owl.
Let's see the owl we saw. What does it sound
Well, can we
like?
just not do an owl? Can we
Do the
an owl?
kattugle.
So 74.
Strix aluko. 74.
Ah. I thought it would say more like, ooh, ooh. Let's see 75.
Maybe that's... Oh, that's the one. Oh, that's spooky. I tried, I was outside with this book, remember? And I found the bird that was in the garden and I put this on, and it was interesting to see how they actually...
Interacted
with the book.
Very fun book. We love birds.
Nice. I think, is that enough?
Yeah.
No, let's end with this one. I just saw this one. This is so cute.
Okay.
This is what we had in school when we were kids. So this is the first books we got. It's the A book and B book and C book. I think I have all three of them somewhere. And then we had to learn how to write Norwegian.
Is this your own school book? Or?
Yeah, this is my school book. And I think the drawings are so cool. I like this book. And then you had all these things and you had to say the name. So like the train and the elephant and the scissor and,
so beautiful
and how
book.
many there were. We had to learn to count and write. So, and this is like the A, so this is like when you're very little. And suddenly name or letters or what you say, words are coming. This is mor, mother, and it's very typical for the time because mother was doing the housework. This is O, that's Ole Lukkøye. That's the little guy who watches over kids when they sleep. And then you have other words.
Yeah,
with O.
The R is for
R.
rev, which is fox.
Yeah. And rødhette, the red hood, rose, and strawberries. Nei, jordbær på R. Why?
I don't know.
Or maybe red.
Yeah.
Rød, red. Yeah, so this is a nice book.
Is your handwriting on it? Did you practice something, or is it just the reading? Oh, it's just reading.
Oh, you start with lines. So you had the word mur, which is
a wall.
a wall, and then you had to make this line to the right thing. The candle, and you made a line. That was the homework.
It's very cute.
Mother is laughing. Oh, that's that one.
Father is sewing.
John is miserable. Oh, that's this guy.
That's this guy here. And yeah.
Nice. So this is something you need to keep.
Yeah.
And we have two more, the B and the C book.
I thought I was going to let you finish, but because you've been talking too much, I'll do the formalities. Okay?
Oh, no, I can talk about these books
there's so many.
forever.
We'll do another episode another time. Anyway, we thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. Please become a subscriber. It really helps us with YouTube. And since you are a subscriber, why don't you just turn on the notification button? That way you'll never miss an episode. And the mailing list is a really great way to get access to all our information, and there's a lot of information that we won't give out unless you're on the mailing list, so make sure to go there. There's patterns on our website, there's yarn on our website as well, there's a lot of stuff on our website, so go there as well.
And keep your eyes peeled.
Keep your eyes peeled. We're going to be posting some of the books that we can post. We'll post them on our website so that you can have a look at them even closer, and maybe you can find them as well if you're interested in getting any of them. So I'm sure this amazing little book is not going to be there. But anyway, it was really fun seeing it. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.